Hey guys, for today's video, ituturo ko kung paano gumawa ng my PhilHealth Portal para ma-view ninyo ang contribution nyo sa PhilHealth at kung active ang nahuhulugan ng employer nyo. Sundan lamang ang video na ito. I put the link below para doon na kayo mag-register ng PhilHealth or i-search nyo lang ang philhealth.gov.ph. Click Online Services and then Member Portal. Click Create Account to make an account on PhilHealth Portal. Fields with asterisks are required. Tan ang lahat ng may asterisk. PhilHealth Identification Number, last name, first name, date of birth, sex, email address, and mobile number. After that, create your own password na gagamitin nyo sa pag-login nyo sa portal account ninyo. Then copy the CAPTCHA and then create account. After that, go to your email na in-input nyo kanina dahil nag-send sila doon ng link to activate your account. Click here to activate your account or open the link below. And then go back to login. Sa pagla-login, ilagay muli ang identification number nyo and then yung create nyong password. And that's it. Naka-create na kayo ng portal account nyo sa PhilHealth. You can print your own MDR. And you can view your member information at sa premium contribution naman makikita nyo ang lahat ng naihulog ninyo sa PhilHealth ninyo. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.